Morning and welcome back. We're off on a road trip this morning. Something again a little bit interesting for the channel. Another project, technically not for me to be getting involved in. I will be helping, I will be doing some bits on, but we're going up to somewhere in Scotland to pick up a Corsa GSI project. One of my friends, the Wizard of the East, his brother has bought this project because he basically wants to get into something, him and his brother, to build something a bit special. You know, he's always been a Corsa GSI fan, and with the prices slowly going up, he's decided it's time to jump in feet first into one before they start getting out of hand. So he's found one in Scotland. We've seen the pictures. It looks super clean. We don't know much more about it. All we know is it's a car. It's not fully complete, but every single part for it is supposed to be there. Some new, some refurbished. It literally needs putting together. So we're going to get on the road now. We're going to see where we end up. And yeah, who knows where and what we're going to end up doing today. But let's get on the road, let's pick this Corsa GSI up, and let's go from there. And I think I need to start introducing the Wizard from the East and possibly his brother, because they keep sending me, how can I put it? They keep sending me stupid little videos through WhatsApp, kind of taking the mick out of the channel, just to kind of wind me up. So I think I might use some of them at the back end of this video, so watch to the very end and you'll see a couple of introductions of some people in the background. So let's get on the road, let's see how this video ends up. See you shortly. So we're running empty to Scotland. So lucky for Jordan, you need this car to go to the painters. So we said we will bring it up and drop it off. So we're unloading this halfway up at Durham and then up to Scotland to pick up the new project for our mystery customer. So let's get this unloaded, let's get it dropped off, and let's get back on the road. So we've arrived in Scotland, somewhere in some beautiful places, and this is what we've come to pick up. Corsa GSI, really good condition. All the parts, but everything has been painted and cleaned. It's just kind of like an unfinished project which needs bolting together. So this is what we've come to get, and to give you an idea, you know, all red in the arches, you know, everything's been painted, coilovers, everything's been powder coated. So yeah, let's have a chat, let's have a look around it, and then let's go from there. This is dead genuine. We drove 4.5 hours to Scotland to pick a car up, and this is wrote on one of the boxes. Danny, what have you been doing, mate?
Have a nice journey back.
So we're on, we're done, we're loaded. It's on the trailer, 4 hours home, but looking forward to getting stuck into this one and restoring a classic GSI back to its former glory. And this is why I love to go on road trips. Obviously, cars on, you end up in little beautiful places, just pass through, you can pull over, grab something to eat, and just see some really nice places. We've just been at a paddle for old time's sake, for a laugh and a giggle, and a lady just told us that there's an old Buddhist village about 15 miles away, so we're just going to see if we can pass through there as well. But this is absolutely beautiful, in the middle of Scotland, and we're picking the Corsa up. Let's get on the road and see what else we see on the way home. Look at the rarity of this. Another Corsa B behind us. Look at that, lovely, lovely. Nice little red one, might need a bit of a buff. But nice to see another on the road, on the trip. Don't see many on the road, 2 together. So we're back, we're unloaded, the car's been put into storage. Super clean shell, all the parts are there. It's going to be a really nice build, and I'll honestly say I think once it's done, it will be one of the cleanest examples that's around. Because again, we've done Danny Max not long ago. Obviously, we saw a nice message on the trip. His is super clean. There's some others that are being built which are super clean, and I seriously think this is going to be up there with the standards of the other ones. So unfortunately, I did lose some footage of the car because I went round a little bit more, going into a bit more detail with it, but for some reason the file was corrupted, so I apologise that it doesn't show as much as it should do. But at some point the car will be on the channel, and we will be building it up and getting it restored. So again, if anyone wants to see the Wizard of the East, just wait to the end of this clip and he will be introduced in all his glory. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel of Adam and Mark's Budget Builds. Today we're going to be playing with wires and ECUs. We're going to teach you how to let all the smoke and all the magic out of them. So stay tuned, like and subscribe.